Desmond Tutu continues to give voice to the voiceless and bring hope to those who thirst for freedom.
We will call out those who suppress ideas and serve as a voice for those who are voiceless.
Non-governmental organizations and civil society are the means to harness that talent and give voice to the voiceless, power to powerless, and hope to hopeless.
We are storytellers, writers, poets, artists who abhor unfairness and despise hypocrisy and give voice to the voiceless and tell truth. Because sometimes, as difficult as it is, it's important for us to be able to speak honestly and candidly on behalf of people who are vulnerable and people who are powerless, people who are voiceless. Journalism, explanatory journalism, journalism that exposes corruption and injustice and gives voice to the different and the marginalized, the voiceless. That's power.